Okay, add some Christmas designs. I add 4 designs to one section because Cafepress limits the number of sections you can have in a shop, and I don't want to have to pay for more shops. So what I do is start a new section, go to section contents, and then add product. Then I click select image. From here is where I would hit upload new image to upload new images. I'm working on the second column now, so I'm going to go ahead and start here, and I work down since there's 12 on a page and I want 4 in a section. That gives me the right amount. I use product set everything, which is a product set that I have already made, and I'll show you how to make that in just a moment. I select it and hit add these products, and it takes a moment to get to the next page, and then I'm back on this page. I wait until add product becomes green again and click it, and it takes me right back in. I can then change the image. I don't wait for the images to load there because they don't, for some reason, always load there. Again, I'll select everything, add products, and as you can see, this is why I say it's data entry for me to add new designs. It does take a minute to get to the next page, and then we have to wait for add product to pop up. This can take anything from 2 seconds to a minute and a half at times. I get this occasionally and I just tell it to stop, and then I'm able to click and continue. We need to change the image again. And now on this last one, I will show you how I created the set. You're going to go into Manage Product Sets. Excuse that error, it always pops up on my computer, and you'll click Build Your Own. And what you're going to do is hit Select All, and then go to each of these headings over on the left, and select all for each one of them. It takes just a minute or two to do this as you go down the entire list. Once you have the entire list done, give it a name. I called mine Everything. This is just the sample set, and save it. Once you've saved it, check that the number of items you have selected is the same as the entire number, which is 479. If it's not, go back into Edit and figure out which section you missed. Then you can click Return to add products, and your product set will be there, so you can select it and add those products. Now this is my 4th design going into this section. So once I get back to this page, I'm going to go ahead and just go back into the Christmas section, add a new section, section contents, add product, select image, and now I'm on to my 3rd column. This is mind-bogglingly boring, however it gets the designs added quickly. I do not worry about whether the designs fit perfectly, because with Cafepress nothing ever does. You cannot adjust size or shape in Cafepress unless you change the file size and upload a different file for each product. So I don't concern myself with that, because honestly, I'm not the shopper, and things that I've thought that looks horrible, they're still buying, so I just keep going. Once I've run out of designs, I just keep going, and I'll upload the next batch, and I'll show that now. I just completed this column here, which means that I am out of designs. And what I'll do is just say upload new image, open file browser, select the set of designs. Normally I do 12 at a time because 12 fit on a page, but I have 2 extra designs in this batch just because there were 2 extra in the folder. First, because the name no longer carries over. We need to copy and paste that into all of these. Make sure after you paste you hit the enter key, or else it does not save. Even though the name is sitting there, it won't be on the product. Your products will have names like kids t-shirt, men's t-shirt, women's t-shirt. I'm going to fast forward a bit here so you don't have to watch me type all the rest of these in. Okay, now I have all of my titles in. I'm going to go ahead and select all, and because these are all Christmas designs, I'm going to give them the same general Christmas message. Also go ahead and add your tags, and now it's time to save the designs. If you want to add your tags or your descriptions individually, that's fine also.